How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can slow down saw and gears in Geometry Dash. So basically, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your level editor right here. And right after, let's then go ahead and select the saw that we simply want to slow down. So in here, right after, I'm also going to put some gear. And then what you want to do is to just click on the Edit Special button. In here, you want to click on Custom, and then we have the degrees button or the degrees slider. If you want to slow it down, you can then go ahead and increase the slider right here. And as you can see, it will slow down definitely. Let's go ahead and apply the same effect to the second one, which is going to be this one. But this time, let's go ahead and make it a lot more slower. As you can see, it will go ahead and slow down depending on the degrees right here. And so you can just go ahead and feel free and experiment with the degrees slider. And simply from there, you will be able to slow down your gears and saw. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.